Thank you all so much for watching our part 1 of our mixed media arts programming video. Here we're going to kind of take you through a closer look at some of the projects that we will be working on. So one of the most important things we're going to start with is learning how to draw as well as paint, so that way we can take those formations into glass. So one of the things that we'll go from there is our drawing with Fritz. So here we'll take an image and transfer that onto a glass platform. From there, we'll learn how to cut, score, and grind glass, as well as do a variety of other glass projects, from shattered glass plates, smaller stained glass projects, to even doing blown glass ornaments, in which they can create and design and do various colors, to casting and creating multiple variations of glass ornaments. From here, with the older students, we will take it to the torch and do some glass firing, to even encompassing some stained glass artwork, as well as doing woodwork and ice carving along the way. We look forward to having you and future students in the class. If you have any questions, please feel free to check us out on our website at underthesun.glass.